Hi everyone, Charity Preston here from the Organized Classroom blog. Alright, I'm going to start a new feature today. It is going to be classroom technology in 3 minutes or less. So, I have a timer here that I am just now starting, and whenever you hear ducks, if you hear the ducks, then it's time to go. So, as many of you know, I tend to be long-winded. This could be a challenge for me to show you anything. So, let's get started. Today's really fun little classroom tech tool, if you have not seen this, is Create a Graph. And this is awesome. If you look in the description of this video, right down below, I will put the link for this video in the description so that way you can find it. Otherwise, if you can see it, it's up here as well. Okay, so this is so much fun, especially for math, for anything, and it can be used with any grade level. Students can create any kind of bars here, or any kind of graphs that they want to do. So let's do a bar graph. And it's so cool because all of these are for all these different ones. So you can actually decide whether you want it vertical, horizontal, what the shape is. Let's do a pattern, a horizontal. You can choose your background colors and what you're doing, all that good stuff. Then we go into the tabs here and enter your data sets in. You can enter your labels in, and look, they can pick their fonts, everything. And then finally, they will preview what their bar graph will look like, and then they can print it or save it. Okay? You can't embed it into a website or anything like that, but then they can save it as well. So, oh, I didn't want to do that. All right. So it's pretty cool to be able to do this. There are so many different things that they could be used to use for. Let's change to this type of chart, this XY chart. Okay, oh, that's a little fancy there, huh? Same kind of deal, labels and preview. You could use this even going into the first week of school. I would say have the students go in and create one of these every single week, so that way they have great graphing skills all year long. I know at least in my school we had always had graphing right at the beginning of the year because it was so tough, and by the time the state tests came around in the spring, they had completely forgotten about it. So this would be fantastic to practice every single week. Give them a story problem and say, what kind of graph could you make with this? And then maybe as a math center, send them to the computer, have them do one, print it off. Right there is a great assessment piece for you. Then you can go back and remediate with the students that were, I don't really think that was probably a good graph choice. You can talk about the labels, and you can talk about all the great graphing skills. So, oh, there's our duck. Okay, so my timer is done. So anyway, that is our classroom technology in 3 minutes or less. Don't forget to come on over and join me for more great ideas at theorganizedclassroomblog.com, and we'll see you soon. Okay, bye.